Dow gained 1,173 points. The NASDAQ 300. Of
course, and until you're playing at a really, really high level, what matters?
4 p.m. Call 800-700-80.
We have called Bible promises.
President a one-day visit to the U.S. Capitol this week with a full agenda that included meeting with Donald Venezuela. During his meeting with Trump, Duque immediately began
in the northbound direction. If you can confirm that, give us a call on the KCBS phone force line, 415-391-5227. That's 391-KCBS. And the ride continues to move smoothly past 92 toward SFO and then into San Francisco. No delays on 101 northbound. Still delayed through Vallejo with road work there. Road work on the Guadalupe Parkway southbound, south of the Almaden Express.
An American patriot, you understand that our freedom to teach the truth of God's word is at
illiquid company that doesn't have a lot of track
of Bavarian monks in the early 1600s.
In Washington, call 855-657-9910 for licensing terms and restrictions.
You